Hi, I'm Sarah Hart, and I'm going to be teaching physics to your student this semester. Just a little bit about me. I am a Walton graduate. I've been teaching for 14 years. I have my bachelor's and my master's degree from UGA, and I have an EDS from Kennesaw in instructional technology. I really enjoy Georgia football, the Atlanta Braves, national parks, Orange Theory, Krav Maga. I know I see some of the parents at Orange Theory. And I have 3 daughters and I have 2 dogs. So what we're going to be studying this semester is kinematics. We're going to be talking about Newton's laws, forces, momentum and collisions, and work and energy. Preparedness is required. Your student needs to come to school every day with a pencil, eraser. We need pencils for this class because we do graphing, a lot of math problems, and so pencils are definitely preferred to pen. Paper, a science notebook or folder, something just to keep them organized, and the calculator. As for the textbook and for the grading policy, the textbook, I do have a hard copy that stays in my class. And if we use it, there's also a version online that the students have access to. Please check grades often. I update very often. I like everybody to know where they stand in my class. So please make sure you are checking your students' grades frequently. The test days for physics are Tuesdays and Fridays, and tests are 40% of the grade, labs are 25%, homework is 20%, quizzes are 5%, and all final exams in all classes are 10%. If your student misses something, they need to meet with me to make up the test or quiz. Graded assignments are on the class board in CTLS. So if your student does miss, or if they're in class and they can't remember, I always keep a list, a running list for each unit of what has been graded and what needs to be worked on. I also have a daily digital tile. If you're worried, what happens if my kid is out for 10 days, or what happens if my kid's out for 2 days? I have a daily digital tile in the digital sessions section of CTLS, and where I keep, you can see where I have each day, and I just keep adding to it, and in each tile is the assignments for each day. I have shown each class how to access it, so your students should know how to access it. And if you have questions, please reach out. Makeup work. It's the responsibility of your student to check CTLS daily if they miss something or if they just miss something from class. It is their responsibility. If they are absent, it's the number of days that they're absent plus 1 additional day to turn in the work. And late work is, they can receive partial credit and 10 points late per day. And no makeup work is accepted after the test. So that's what this says. I know my picture's in front of it, but it says no makeup work is due, or no makeup work is allowed to be turned in or accepted after the unit test. So if they miss a Unit 1 assignment, it has to be in by the Unit 1 test. Help sessions are on Tuesdays and Thursday mornings at 7:45. And I like it if the students let me know that they're coming, just because I sometimes come in and I have plans in the morning to, run copies, and I just want to know that they're there. If, Tuesday and Thursdays doesn't work, have your student email me and we can set up another time. My email is sarah.hart, H-A-R-T, @cobbk12.org. I look forward to a great semester with your students. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we're going to have a great semester.